What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I will show you or will discuss with you Vescartes Clothing Store review. So you're wondering, is Vescartes here worth it or is it actually legit? Well, there are a few things that you need to know and you need to understand here. Now, the thing with Vescartes here is we first need to understand what it is. Now, Vescartes is actually a website where, in this case, you could actually buy clothing. Now, if you search this online, they have their online or they have their website here, which is vescartes.com. Now, if you try accessing their website, you need to enter a password here in order for you to access their website, which in this case, it means that only a number of people can actually buy it from their website. But as of right now, as you can see, it's the actual website is hidden. So in this case, if you're trying to visit their website, you need to get the password first in order for you to access it. And also, if you're going to search online, they have a number of pages that you could actually see here. Now, as you can see, this page here is actually dedicated to Vescartes here, which in this case, again, it have like a huge following. It's 127K. But the thing with this one is, if you're going to view their images here, like for example, this one. This image is actually like honestly, the code here is pretty good. But if you try searching this online, so just to get an idea here, what I'm talking about is we want to access this photo here. So if you try to reverse search this one, or right click on it, click on search with Google Lens, and let's go and just highlight this area here. And as you can see, if we search this on Google, there's a number of websites that is also using that specific image as well. So it means that the photos they are using in their account is not unique to them. There are a number of other websites, or in this case, retailers out there use it as well, which is a huge red flag here if you're going to ask me. So it means, like, for example, they might be sourcing their products from, in this case, from the same place. So again, it's not unique to them. So as you can see, there's another website that's selling the same product in here, as you can see right now. So also, if you check their domain here, it looks like their website is like 1 years old already, which is good because again, it's still pretty new here. So you could go and just wait in if you want to buy from the website. But right now, if you're going to try buying from the website, you need to enter your password here. So I think right now you won't be able to buy from them. But yeah. So honestly speaking, the products itself are pretty good. But again, if you want to buy from them, you need to get a password, which is something really unfortunate if you really want to try it. But just be wary. Products that they are showcasing right now might not be what it would look like on the actual photo here. They might come in kind of different because again, they're using photos here, so they might be making copies only to sell it. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.